Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the list of top 7 players who are considered as some of the greatest of all time in the NBA. Number 7. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal, also known as Shaq, is a retired American professional basketball player who is considered as one of the greatest centers in the history of the NBA. He played for teams such as Orlando Magic, Los Angeles Lakers, Miami Heat, Phoenix Suns, Cleveland Cavaliers, and Boston Celtics during his 19-year career. O'Neal was a 15-time All-Star, 4-time NBA champion, and won the Finals MVP award 3 times. He was inducted into the Hall of Fame in 2016. Number 6. Larry Bird. Larry Bird is widely considered as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He played in the National Basketball Association (NBA) for the Boston Celtics from 1979 to 1992 and was named to the All-Star team 12 times. Bird was known for his exceptional shooting skills, court vision, and unselfish play. He helped lead the Celtics to 3 NBA championships 1981, 1984, 1986 and was named the Finals MVP in 1984. He was inducted into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 1998. Bird has since gone on to have a successful coaching and executive career in the NBA. Number 5. Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant was an American professional basketball player who played his entire 20-year career in the National Basketball Association (NBA) with the Los Angeles Lakers. He was known for his exceptional talent, relentless work ethic, and competitive spirit, earning him numerous accolades including 5 NBA championships, 2 Olympic gold medals, and 18 All-Star selections. His style of play, characterized by his aggressive approach to the game, earned him the nickname Black Mamba. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players of all time. Number 4. LeBron James. James is considered one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He was won numerous awards and accolades including the NBA championships, 2 Olympic gold medals, and multiple All-Star and All-NBA selections. He is also considered as one of the most influential players of his generation with a huge following both on and off the court. LeBron James continues to play at a high level and is considered by many to be the current face of the NBA. Number 3. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was one of the most dominant and successful players in the history of professional basketball. Over the course of his 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers, Abdul-Jabbar won 6 NBA championships, was selected to the All-Star team 19 times, and was named the league's MVP award winner 6 times. He is the all-time leading scorer in the NBA with 38,387 points and is widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Despite his many accomplishments, Abdul-Jabbar was also known for his fierce competitiveness and relentless drive, which helped him become one of the most respected and admired players in the league. Number 2. Magic Johnson. Johnson is a retired professional basketball player and businessman. He played point guard for the Los Angeles Lakers from 1979 to 1991 and was a 5-time NBA champion, 3-time most valuable player, and a 12-time All-Star. Johnson is widely regarded as one of the greatest players in the history of the sport. After retiring from basketball, Johnson became a successful businessman, starting various businesses and foundations to support underprivileged communities. He is also a motivational speaker and a public figure who advocates for health and wellness initiatives. Number 1. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is considered one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He played in the National Basketball Association (NBA) for the Chicago Bulls from 1984 to 1993 and from 1995 to 1998. He is known for his incredible scoring abilities, tenacity on the court, and clutch performance in high-pressure situations. Off the court, he has been a successful businessman, owning the Charlotte Hornets and having various endorsement deals with the brands such as Nike, Gatorade, and Hanes. He is often referred to as MJ or Air Jordan due to his signature style of play and soaring dunks. Michael Jordan's impact on the sport of basketball and popular culture has been immense, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of fans and players like him.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.